The little toaster that could, making toast. Gotta feed our security doggo. Hard at work. Security and
Crows out the window. We was feeding them peanuts. There was a bunch more, but I forgot where my camera was. We'll see if they come back.
36 degrees to start the morning. The van's battery's dead, so I must have left something on. See if we got jumper cables, and we'll try and jump it with the truck. So that's what we're gonna try to do this morning. Let's see what we can come up with here. Stand by. Well, let's see if she's cooperating yet. Dead batteries. Switch hands. Sorry, guys. Shake, rattling, rolling. Yeah, buddy. It's alive. It's unhappy but alive. We'll let it charge up. Oh, it appears we're going to need a new muffler. It looks like that one gave up the ghost. So, she's going to have to get a new muffler. Well, our gauge is reading all right now. We're good pulling voltages. Charging up on our house battery too. This one says we're charging too. Let's see if it holds a charge. Yeah, she came on. Yeah, I think we'll just let her warm up a little bit more, and then we'll disconnect both the batteries, and that way they won't go dead. Easy enough. So yeah, we took a few days of no recording just to get things cleaned up, and here's one of our creeks that we're just putting what we call riprap, or broken up blocks and rocks and stuff there, so that it drains better, so that we don't get the swamp. So it's coming along. I just wanted to show you guys since we ain't been recording too much. I'm gonna unload a couple more bricks, and then we're gonna go see if I can get the wood chopper working again, or if I really broke it. We'll see here in a minute. It was running good yesterday until I ran too big of a piece of wood through it and it screwed up. I don't know if I broke it or if it just didn't want to start back up. So we're going to try to start this thing. See what happens. It don't sound happy, but I'm gonna run it for a while. See what happens. So we chopped all the woods to make mulch for the kudzu circle. Yes. Getting artistic back in here. Moongate, kudzu vines, and mulch on our path. So that's what we're doing today. Just stupid fun stuff.
Okay, I feel like sometimes we have trouble explaining this weird horseshoe-shaped lot to you guys. So, can you see this triangle of land right here? The creek goes up in a Y on either side. That's Orchard Isle. That land in between. Across the creek, there's our campsite. Over here's the back in there is Hideaway Cove, or the Hideaway at the Cove. I don't know. This patch of trees here is the Gerwood Forest. On the other side of this is a patch of grass that's humongous and about the size and shape of a baseball diamond, so it's the baseball diamond. But today in the Gerwood Forest, we have a fallen tree that is reproducing. Appears to be growing a new tree right where it sits. Yeah, that's pretty grow some rotten, huh? Oh look, there's another one. Anyway, welcome to Gerwood Forest. It's not much yet, but it will be awesome one day.
Walk under it.
Oh yeah, here. Grand tour. Some Sherwood Forest. Gerwood Forest. Sorry. First passing the Gerwood Forest. Yep, I see this becoming a moon gate. Totally. I don't think that tree's going to go anywhere anytime soon. Smile for the cameras. Sexy husband.
Get it.
You can't tell, but we did just leaf blow in here. So there's a little cubbyhole hideaway here. Path here. You can't see it. There's a little clearing here. Come down this path. Can you kind of see it? Come on to another clearing. Up in here, there's the lake. And pink marks the property line. So a little hidden path. Maybe I got through here. And you're in the clearing we call the hideaway of the cove, which is along the creek.
And he's cleaning up, making crow shiny things, fixing Bumble. We ain't recording much today, but I wanted to show you guys we are adjusting Bumble's chain tensioner so we can get that adjusted. She's making stuff out in the woods and we're just enjoying a cool day. So hope you guys are enjoying your day. Oh, I feel rain coming. Gonna be ending our trip. Cleaning up and getting ready to pack it up in the morning and roll out. But it was fun.